Hello guys, welcome to the concept video. My name is Nandivardhan Reddy from IOR College of Information Technology. My roll number is 20951A1248 from IT A section of third semester. Today's my subject is uh, discrete mathematical structures and the topic is permutations. Let's come into the topic. What is permutation? In mathematics, a permutation of a set is, loosely speaking, an arrangement of its members into a sequence or linear order. Or, if the set is already ordered, a rearrangement of its elements. The word permutation also refers to the act or process of changing the linear order of an ordered set. Permutation differs from combination. Permutations is differ from combinations, which are selections of some members of a set regardless of order. For example, written as tuples, there are six permutations of this set 1 2 3, namely 1 2 3, 1 3 2, 2 1 3, 2 3 1, 3 1 2, and 3 2 1. These are all are the possibles of ordering of this three element set. Uh, Anagrams of the words whose letters are different are also permutations. The letters are already ordered in the original word, and the anagram is a reordering of letters. The study of permutations of finite sets is an important topic in the fields of combinators and group of theory. Permutations are used in almost every branch of mathematics. In many other fields of science, in computer science, they are used for analyzing sorting algorithms, in quantum physics for describing states of particles, and in biology for describing RNA sequences. See how many places these permutations are helping. Next, the number of permutations of n distinct objects in is n factorial, usually written as n factorial, which means the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. Technically, a permutation of a set S is defined as a bijunction from S to itself. That is, it is a function from S to S for which every element occurs exactly once as an image value. This is related to the rearrangement of the elements of S, in which each element S is replaced by the corresponding f of S. For example, the permutation 312 mentioned above is described by the function display style slash alpha, defined as the display style alpha of 1 equal to 3, quad of alpha of 2 equal to 1, quad of alpha of 3 equal to 2. Next, the collection of all permutations of a set from a group called the symmetric group of the set. The operation is the composition. Performing two given rearrangements is succession, which result in another rearrangement. As properties of the permutations do not depend on the nature of the set elements, it is often the permutations of the set display style of 1, comma 2 or idiots, comma n that are considered for studying permutations. Let us discuss about the history of the permutations. Permutations called hexagrams were used in China in the in Cheng PN Jing as early as 1000 BC. Al-Khalili 1717 1780s, an Arab mathematician and cryptographer, wrote the book of the cryptographic messages. It contains the first use of permutations and combinations to list all the possible Arabic words with and without vowels. The rule to determine the number of permutations of an object was known in Indian culture around 1150. The Livati by the Indian mathematician Bhaskara 2 contains a passage that translates to the product of multiplication of the arithmetical series beginning and increasing by unity and the continued to the number of places will be the variation of number with specific figures. Permutations without repetition. Here, the simplest example of permutations is permutations without repetition, where we consider the number of possible ways of arranging n elements into n places. The factorial has special application in the defining the number of permutations in a set which does not include repetition. The number n factorial reads n factorial is preciously the number of ways we can rearrange n things into a new order. For example, if we have three fruits and arrange apple and pear, we can eat them in the order mentioned or we can change them. For example, an apple, a pear, then an orange. The exact number of permutations is then display cell of 3 factorial equal 1, comma dot 2, comma dot 3 equals 6. The number of get extremely large as the number of items of n goes up. In a similar manner, the number of arrangement of all items from n object is considered a parallel but partial permutation. It is written as a display as NPR, which reads n permutation permit r and is equal to the number n of n minus 1 into by n minus r plus 1, also written as n factorial by n minus r factorial. Then the composition of permutation. There are two ways to denote the composition of two permutations. Sigma of phi. A is the function that maps an element x of the set to the sigma of phi of x. The rightmost permutation is called to the argument first because of the way the function application is written. Since function composition is associative, so is the a composition operation on permutations display sigma pi tau. Therefore, products of the more than two permutations are usually written without adding parentheses to the express grouping. They are also usually written without a dot or other sign to indicate composition. Some authors prefer the leftmost factor acting first, but that n permutation must be written to the right of their argument often as an exponent, where sigma uh, acting on x is written as x power sigma. Then the product is defined as x power sigma dot pi equal to x power sigma of whole power pi. However, this is given a different rule for multiplying permutations. This article uses the definition where the rightmost permutation is applied first. Properties of permutation type, conjective permutation, permutation order, priority of permutation. Thank you.